This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept byte array and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the byte array. It has 5 byte values. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing byte array. This method sort the byte array content into ascending order. Then after sorting, I am displaying the byte array content. Here I have defined the key as 8. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing byte array and key as 8. What this binary search method will do is, it searches the key 8 in the byte array and returns the index position of the key. And if you see, the key 8 index position is 1 in this byte array. So this method returns index as 1. Before calling binary search method, the array should be sorted, else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, we are sorting the byte array using sort method of arrays class. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.